Roniel, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Jane na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
I like the way you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit the notes in every song you're shining.
Kahit anumang pagsubok na harapin, lagi akong nasa tabi mo. Through ups and downs, kicks and king, I love you and I always do.
Though sometimes when life brings me down, you're the cure, my love.
Hi, Jane. Congrats. Nandito na tayo. Nag-uumpisa lang tayo sa paghanap ng takip ng kaldero sa DB. Ngayon, iharap na kita sa dambana.
Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever. I know I can't.
Medyo lang, kabado. Nagkita lang kami sa SM as a friend, then naghanap ng takip ng kaldero. Hanggang sa napunta na sa ayon, kain laban.
Your eyes, I see the light, my future. Always and forever, I know I can't let you go.
Palugod nating tanggapin sa ang ating bagong kasal na si Roniel at Jane sa ating Kristiyanong sambayanan sa pamamagitan ng iyong masigabong palakpakan. Harapis nila lang ng may kapal, lalaki at babae, ama't ina. At magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa. At sila'y magiging isa. Kaya't hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa. Ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao.
I think about you when I wake up, before my feet hit the floor. Watch you putting on your makeup through the crack in the door. And I still see you the way I did the day that we first met. After all,
Wala namang magbabago. Ganun pa rin naman. Kung ano yung dati nating naumpisan, ganun pa rin. Plan pa rin sa buhay natin. Kung anong hindi pagkakaintindihan, pag-uusapan na lang natin. Wala naman akong ibang gusto basta maano mo yung goals mo. Makasama ako. Yun lang, I love you.
it's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel. When every time I try, you know that you still take my breath away. Take my breath away.
What you are doing, Roniel and Jane, is something extraordinary. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, itong point na to, mamaya, it's a point of no return. No exchange, no return policy.
You can hear my heartbeat, and I still see you the way I did the day that we first met. After all this time, these butterflies keep turning in my chest. You still take
Kaya itong vows ko, hindi lang para sa'yo, para din kay Lord. Sinusumpa ko na alagaan at mamahalin at iingatan kita dahil ikaw ang lalaking niregalo at nilaan niya para sa akin.
It's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel. And every time I try, you know that you still
Ang vow that you are going to make. Miski mahirap, itutuloy mo pa rin. Kasi nangako, ikaw ay mayroong panunumpa sa Diyos. Yes, siya lang ang mamahalin mo hanggang dulo.
Dati ang hiling ko lang ay isang babaeng sasamahan ako sa tabi ko. Pero ito, ikaw, ang ibinigay sa akin ng may kapal. I love you.
You still take my breath away. It's hard to find the words to tell you how I feel. And every time I try, you know that you still take my breath away. Take my breath away.
Mga kapatid, pinipresenta ko ngayon sa inyo si Mr. and Mrs. Roniel Bonita. Palapakan po natin sila. At alam ko na ang pinakahihintay mo, Roniel. Roniel, you may now kiss your bride.
I think about you when I wake up before my feet hit the floor. Watch you putting on your makeup